Our coverage of Computex 2024 is brought to you by eSIM and Hushed. They take a chance on me, so you better take a chance on them, or else.
So the Noctua Home line is something that we launched about 2 weeks ago. We've noticed that people have been using the Noctua products in different DIY purposes for many years, and our goal of this is to really help facilitate a lot of those projects. So we offer both everything in fan sets. So we have the FS1, which is basically the successor to the desk fan prototype that we showed off a few years ago. And then we have the FS2, which is more for device calling. But the key to the Noctua Home line is that everything is modular. So if whatever project you're working on, you can just buy the part that's relevant for that. So if you just have a fan that you just want to mount, then you can use the fan mount, for example. It has zip ties, it has screw mounting holes, it is magnetic. So whatever is suitable for your project, hopefully there should be a solution for that.
eSIM and Hushed allow you to continue using your phone completely uninterrupted overseas, with competitive eSIM and secondary phone number packages. Make sure to check out the links below for more.